Hi guys, today we'll do simple movements for the fingers and the wrist. So to release any tension that is stored in the wrist or fingers, this would be very helpful. So this practice, either you can do it on the mat or even on the bed. Okay, so let's wear something comfortable and hop onto the mat. Namaste, welcome to FitNCalm. So let's start today's practice. Take your hands forward, stretch your fingers out, pull them towards yourself, and now move your hand down, up and down, and up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now sideways. With a smile on your face, just keep moving, just like a bird's wings, and stretch out your fingers again and make a tight fist. Stretch and make a fist. Stretch and make a fist, and relax. Relax your shoulders, one rotation and then opposite, and relax. Now stretch your hands sideways, just make a fist and relax, fist and relax. Keep doing it continuously. Very good for your fingers. This might pain a little bit after doing for some time. Just keep on doing it. Front, up, and relax. Just shake your hands, release all the tension. Shake, relax. We'll do one rotation and opposite. Relax. Take your hands out again, make a fist and gentle rotations with your wrist. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Relax. Take your hands sideways. Now make a fist with thumb inside and then gently press it towards the ground. Press the wrist towards the ground and up. Press it towards the ground. Only your palm is going downwards. Your fist is going downwards and up. Down and up and relax. Now stretch your hands out again. With the right fingers, gently pull your left fingers inwards towards yourself. With the right thumb, just press it for a grip and then pull it towards yourself. Relax. We'll do for the thumb also. Relax. Now the other hand, pull your fingers towards yourself. Relax, and the thumb, and relax. Now gently take your palms, fingers facing the ground. Take your little finger and with the help of the right fingers, just pull your finger towards yourself. Pull and relax. Now the ring finger, pull it towards yourself. Pull, release all the tension that is accumulated here. Pull and relax. Now the other finger, you just pull it towards yourself. Pull, pull and relax. Now the index finger, pull it towards yourself with the help of the right fingers and relax. And the thumb, just pull it towards the wrist and relax. With the help of the left hand, pull the right little finger inwards. Relax the ring finger. The next finger, relax, and the index finger. Relax. Now we'll pull our thumb towards ourselves. and relax, shake it out. Shake, 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 shake. And relax. Now gently take your hands, the shoulder level, pull your fingers inwards, pull them a little more, pull, and then spread out your fingers and rotate. Rotate your wrist mainly, and then there is a little bit rotation at the shoulder. And relax, shake it out. Relax. Now slowly come on to your palms and knees. Palms directly under your shoulders, knees under your hips, hip width apart, and palms shoulder width apart. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now rotate both your palms 90 degrees. The fingers are pointing outwards. And you breathe in, come up, breathe out, come back, and then move forward and back, forward and back, forward, back, forward and back, forward and back. Now gently rotate another 90 degrees. Your fingers are pointing towards your knees. And then again go front and back, front and back, front and back, front. As you go back, lift up your palms, fingers on the mat still, and back, front, back, front and back. Gently rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise, and relax. Now gently place the back of the palm on the floor, fingers pointing you. Okay, so it looks like this, and then go again front and back, front and back, front, back, front and back. Relax, come back to the center. Now we'll repeat front and back, front and back. Now gently come back and sit on your heels. Relax your palms, just shake it off, and then come back to the normal sitting position. Just shake, rotate, anti-clockwise, and relax. Now let's join your palms together. Press the palms towards each other. Press, press, press a little more. Press all the fingers together, the palms together. Press, 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 and release. Once again, press, press, press. Now gently move towards the left side. More pressure from the right and towards the right side. Left and right, left and right, left and right. Come back to the center, invert your palms and keep it there. Stay there. If you're not able to come this much, still wherever you can keep it there. Keep pressing your palms towards each other. Stay there. Relax your shoulders. Keep pressing. Little bit tension on your wrist. And come back to the center. Relax. And then again shake it out. Relax. We'll gently move our fingers and relax. Take a deep breath in and let go. Thank you for joining us. Namaste. So if you like our videos, do share and subscribe. See you soon.